In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for a finance tracker. Notion is a fantastic tool for organizing your personal and professional life, and using it as a finance tracker can really help keep your financial life in check. Whether you're tracking your spending, saving, or budgeting, this versatile software can help you stay on top of your finances. So let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll need to log into your Notion account. If it's your first time using Notion, you'll find a simple and intuitive interface designed to help you navigate and manage your digital workspace effectively. Once you're logged in, we'll be creating a new page specifically dedicated to tracking your finances. This new page will serve as your central hub for all things finance related in Notion. Next, go ahead and create a new page. It's quite straightforward. Look for the option to add a new page on your sidebar menu. If you're new to Notion, it's usually represented by a plus sign. Once you've created your page, you'll want to give it a specific name that aligns with its purpose. In this case, we'll call it Finance Tracker. Naming your pages clearly and distinctly is crucial as it helps you quickly find what you're looking for amid various other pages and information in Notion. Now, with your Finance Tracker page open, it's time to create a database to store all your financial transactions. Click on your page and then type in Table View. This command will allow you to create a database in table format, which is perfect for organizing transactions. This step is essential because having your transactions displayed in a table provides clear visibility, making it easy to track and manage your data at a glance. After setting up the table view, let's go ahead and name this database Transactions. This will be where all your financial entries such as income, expenses, and transfers will be recorded. Maintaining a well-organized transactions table can significantly aid in developing a clearer picture of your financial habits over time. With your transactions table ready, the next step is to set up columns and properties. Consider each column as a data point you would like to track. Common columns for a finance tracker might include date, description, category, amount, and payment method. These columns help ensure your transactions are easy to record and analyze later on. You can add or modify columns to suit your specific financial tracking needs, as Notion is highly customizable to individual preferences. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've set up a functional finance tracker in Notion that's ready to be personalized and expanded upon. By keeping your transactions table updated regularly, you'll have a powerful tool at your disposal to manage your finances effectively. Thank you for tuning in, and happy tracking.